Welcome to my presentation on assistive technology. What is assistive technology? Assistive technology is any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially or off the shelf, modified or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. It compensates for something a student cannot functionally do or perform. In essence, it levels the playing field for students with developmental disabilities by compensating for deficits and creating a floor of opportunity that then creates a potential for achievement in the curriculum. This illustrates wherever the students with disabilities are performing, the assistive technology enables them to get to where typical students are performing. Assistive technology can be used in a lot of different areas. One of those areas is communication and language. There are high-tech options and low-tech options for using assistive technology. Here are just a few examples of those. Some high-tech options include speech-generating devices, voice output communication aids, tablet or smartphone apps such as Proloquo or LAMP Words for Life, and video modeling. Some of these are evidence-based practices have been shown through research and studies to be effective. Some low-tech options in the area of communication and language include picture exchange communication system, which is also an evidence-based practice, sign language, topic boards. Assistive technology can also be used in the area of academics and cognition. Some studies identified 7 areas where assistive technology can assist students in academics. These areas include organization, note-taking, writing assistance, productivity, access to reference materials, cognitive assistance, and materials modification. Some of the high-tech options in the area of academics includes text-to-speech, speech recognition, speech-to-text, online reference material, caption media, and virtual manipulatives. There are also some low-tech options such as graphic organizers, visual representations, schedules and planners, and task lists. These can also become high-tech options if they're in a computer or other tablet or device that students can use that way. Assistive technology can also help with transition as individuals transition from school life to out-of-school life with living and work. Some high-tech options that can help in that area include Google Calendar, financial apps, virtual environments that help build social skills, and also all of the assistive technology that targeted communication and language. A lot of time for individuals who are going into work, they still need to build those social skills in their work environment and the community settings. Also with transition, there's the transition to independent living and life skills. And there are some examples of both low and high-tech options that it can assist in that. There's schedules and materials lists that help with organization. There are task lists and other things that help with memory and cognition. Wheelchairs can help in the area of mobility. And adapted equipment for personal hygiene or other daily living skills can help when living independently. It's important to think about some things with implementation. One, it is not a one-size-fits-all model. It may take time to learn to use the assistive technology. Progress monitoring is important to see if the assistive technology is effective for the individual, and the key is to individualize. With so much stuff out there, it's important to find the right thing for each individual. Some other things to consider too is assistive technology is different than instructional technology. Instructional technology is helpful in facilitating learning, but not essential. When it becomes essential for the student to perform it, then it is assistive technology. Assistive technology is also different than universal design learning, because universal design learning attempts to anticipate the needs and learning styles of all diverse range of learners. When an individual is not making progress with UDL, then they are in need of assistive technology. Here are all the references I used within the presentation. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.